Hello everybody, good morning. Today I wanted to explain about study meaning. But before I explain about this topic, I wanted to say that all of us have known that the human always communication each other in this world. And of course, they always have different way to communication and have different way to understanding about their communication. Okay, the first I wanted to explain about the meaning of language. What is language? Language is the principal method of human communication, consisting of the words used in a structured and conventional way and conveyed by speech, writing, or gesture. For example, a study of the way children learn language. And the second meaning is language is a system of communication used by a particular country or community. Okay, from this definition, we can conclude that the human in this world always have different way to communication. Any humans that communication by their gesture or by writing or by speech. Okay, and then here there are branches of language that study about the meaning. The first, semantic. Semantic is the study of the toolkit for meaning. Knowledge included in the vocabulary of the language and it is patterns for building more elaborate meanings up to the level of the sentence meaning. And the second is pragmatic. Pragmatic is concerned with the use of these tools in meaningful communication. Pragmatic is about the interaction of semantic knowledge with our knowledge of the world, taking into account context of use. Okay, from this definition, there are have different meaning. The first, semantic. Semantic always focus the meaning of words and sentence, while the pragmatic always focus about meaningful of communication. So we can learn about the meaning of words and sentence. We use semantic, and then how to know about meaningful communication. Of course, we learn and we use pragmatic. Okay, here there is one of example in the study of meaning. Hold out your arm. From this example, we can conclude that English language always expression about thing and activity. From this example, arm. Arm is meaning maybe a part of body, and then your arm and hold out your arm. From this sentence, maybe have meaning that our activity, hold out your arm. So from the sentence, such as that I express the first, English language always study or always link a thing or activity. Okay, then here there are some definition of the semantic according to experts. The first according Charles Morris, and then according the Verhaar, and then according Lehrer and Kamartel, and the last is Britannia Encyclopedia. But here I only explain one or two definitions according to experts. Okay, from Charles Morris, stating that semantic examines the relation of sign with object, which are the container for the application of the signs. And according to Verhaar, argues that semantic or English semantics means the theory of meaning or theory of meaning, namely the systematic branch of language that investigates meaning or meaning. Okay, from this definition, according to Verhaar, we know that English semantics means the theory of meaning or theory of meaning. Okay, semantic is one of branch of language that always investigates meaning. So in semantics, we can learn about or we can study about the meaning. Okay, in study of meaning, we always found synonym and antonym. What is synonym and antonym? Synonym is a word that has the same meaning as another word in the same language, and one of two or more words or expressions of the same language that have the same or nearly the same meaning in some or all sense. Okay, what antonym? Antonym is a word or of opposite meaning. Okay, here there are some of the example in study of meaning. I think in this example, they are explained about definition of a synonym and antonym. For example, little meaning small, not big, not much, and then small meaning little in size, and then big meaning large in size. Okay, from these words, we can conclude that they are express the definition of the synonym and antonym. For example, little. Little synonym is small, not big, not much. And then big, antonym little, antonym small. Okay. In the last, uh, pragmatic definition according to expert. Okay, according to Hans, defines pragmatic is the study of the condition of human language used as the tests are determined by the context of society. Pragmatic can also solve the problem between the speaker and the hearer, especially the problem about point of view. Okay, friends, pragmatic is very important in study of meaning because pragmatic can also solve the problem between the speaker and hearer, especially problem about point of view. Such as I explained in the first, the human always communication in this world. So of course they have a different point of view when they are communication. So to solve uh, the problem point of view between them, pragmatic is the way to solve this problem. Okay guys, I think that's all from me. Thank you for the attention. Thank you for the participation in my presentation and explanation today.